Hello and welcome to this edition of Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. I'm Debbie Marie.
And I'm David Jones. On today's show, we're going to focus on the theme that we started on our last show, and that's spring household overhauls, both inside and out.
Right, and don't forget the car, because it's been blasted by winter, so we want to have a spring cleaning for that too.
We've got you covered all over the house, including your outdoor living space. For example, a deck or maybe even a gazebo.
I like it. And we have something for your inside space, specifically your sleeping space. How about a bed makeover on a budget?
We're even going to refresh your driveway today.
Ooh, I like the way that sounds. Refresh your driveway. All right, so stick around and see it all right now on Designing Spaces.
Okay, homeowners, if you have an asphalt driveway, you know, over time it'll eventually develop cracks.
Or potholes.
That's right, and in the long run, it's only going to get worse. But up next, we have a do-it-yourself project that'll increase your home's curb appeal and make your driveway safer.
Here's Bobby Dodge.
An often overlooked part of your home's curb appeal is the driveway. Many homeowners with asphalt drives overlook the slow aging that occurs with time, such as increasing number of cracks, the appearance of potholes, and a general dingy-looking surface. By properly treating an asphalt driveway, it can be restored to its former beauty without having to resort to expensive repaving. Designing Spaces is ready to show you how you can do it yourself. We're here with Jerry Chavez, Product Manager for Sealants and Driveway Products with the Henry Company, and also the homeowner, Leo, to do a driveway makeover. That's right, we're going to beautify this asphalt driveway back to its original form. And we're going to do it as a do-it-yourself project. Now, Jerry has the tips, tools, and materials we need to get this job done right. Jerry, thank you so much for joining us.
Excited to be here, Bobby.
Leo, thank you.
Bobby, thank you.
Before we get Leo working, I've got a few questions. First off, why bother? Why should we restore this asphalt driveway to its original form?
Well, although asphalt driveways last for many years, they don't stay smooth and black forever. But there are simple steps you can take to maintain your driveway, increase its service life, and your home's curb appeal. After all, your driveway is one of the first things people notice. Additionally, by sealing your driveway, you're saving a lot of money by avoiding expensive repaving costs.
Okay, well then that leads me to my next question. We've decided we're going to restore this driveway. What's the fastest and easiest way to get that done?
Bobby, that's simple. It's a simple three-step process. Clean it, repair it, and seal it.
Well, it sounds simple enough, so maybe we should get Leo working.
Absolutely.
Bobby, I'm so glad you're here. You know, we love do-it-yourself projects. We love the satisfaction from doing these ourselves. The care factor can't be beat, and the savings we use on other home projects as well. So are you ready to go help us?
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm here to lend a hand, but I think with Jerry's guidance, you should be fine.
Very well.
All right, let's go start this thing. Jerry, we're ready to get started. Tell us, what's the first thing we need to do?
Again, remember, it's a simple three-step process. Clean it, repair it, and seal it. But before you do that, you want to make sure to take care of any weeds that may be growing in the cracks or other areas of the driveway. Next, you want to sweep the area or use a leaf blower to remove any dust, dirt, or loose materials from the driveway. And be sure to take care of any gas or oil stains by cleaning them thoroughly with a stiff bristle brush and a general purpose cleaner. And then you want to follow that up with a garden hose with a spray nozzle. Wash down the area, but be sure to sweep away any puddles.
Sounds simple enough.
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Step one, sweeping and cleaning. Everything's looking good. So Jerry, we finished step one. We've cleaned everything. Now we're moving on to the repairing step, and I see you have all the products we need to move forward. Can you explain what we're going to do now?
In step two, after you've cleaned the driveway thoroughly, it's time to make all the necessary repairs. So we're going to use Henry 308 crack filler, which is an elastomeric product. It expands and contracts, and it will not shrink or get brittle. For larger cracks or potholes, we want to use Henry 304 pothole patch. It's ready to use out of the container, no mixing required.
All right, let's put Leo to work.
Let's do it.
Well, Jerry, I've done all the repair work, and as you can see, Leo is taking all the credit.
That's
What is the next step we do? Do we let this dry?
Yes, after all the repairs have been completed, you want to allow the product to cure properly. This particular product sets up in about an hour, but others take a little bit longer, so always refer to the product packaging for further instructions and detail.
All right, well, let's meet back here in 1 hour and we'll be all set for that final step.
Great.
We are ready for that third step, the application of the sealer. Jerry, tell us exactly what we're going to do next.
Absolutely. Step 3, we're going to seal the driveway. The driveway has been cleaned and repaired, but before we get started, we want to make sure that the temperature is at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. There's no rain in the forecast within 48 hours, and start early in the morning. This sealer is waterproof only after it has completely sealed. And for best application and appearance, be sure to use a brush applicator.
Well, this is the step I've been waiting for all day, so let's start. It's been 4 hours since we finished this project, and I have to tell you, it looks like a work of art.
And it is now dry enough that we can walk on it. Tomorrow at this time, you'll be able to park your cars back in the driveway again.
What I liked most about this was the fact that the tools we used to put these products down were normal things that you would find in Leo's garage.
That's exactly right. The whole idea is to do it yourself, quickly, without hassle, and get professional looking results.
Where can our viewers find these products?
You can find Henry Driveway products at your local home center or hardware store. And for more detailed information on driveway products and other projects, you can visit us at henry.com.
You can also go to designingspaces.tv, where you'll find the link that Jerry just mentioned, and you can also watch this part of the show again. I have to tell you guys, that was a very fulfilling do-it-yourself project.
Thank you, Bobby.
I had a great time.
Thanks, Leo.
For Designing Spaces, I'm Bobby Dodge.
You know, things are really starting to shape up. We've got the driveway covered, the deck, even the car.
That's right. So what do we have next?
Next, why, you have something else?
Oh, no, I
We're
don't.
out of-
You can relax.
We're out of time.
Oh, okay. Well, then you're just going to have to watch for us on the next Designing Spaces, which is coming very soon. I'm David Jones.
And I'm Debbie Marie. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.